Meaning of deface.
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 Deface. The term deface means to deliberately damage or spoil the appearance of something, particularly by adding unwanted markings or alterations. This often involves disfiguring the original design or image with graffiti, scratches, or other forms of alteration that detract from its overall aesthetic quality. The result is a visual distortion or degradation of the original object's beauty or function, which can cause significant harm to its value or usefulness. Defacing public or private property is generally seen as a criminal act and can result in fines or imprisonment.